The battle for supremacy in the smartphone industry is intensifying, and Samsung's Galaxy S24 series has set a high bar for its successor, the Galaxy S25. While it's still too early to fully evaluate global sales or determine which brand claims the top spot, the data from Samsung's flagship devices between January and November 2024 offers valuable insights into their success. The Galaxy S24 range, consisting of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24, and Galaxy S24 Plus, has exceeded expectations in terms of sales, particularly when compared to last year's Galaxy S23 series. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra shares similarities in design and features with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it has managed to significantly outperform its predecessor, marking a strong advancement in the competitive smartphone market. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, having sold 15.8 million units, has surpassed the Galaxy S23 Ultra by an impressive 2 million units, reflecting a 17% increase. This is especially remarkable considering the broader slowdown in the smartphone market. With strong profit margins for each Galaxy S24 Ultra sold and the holiday season sales yet to be factored in, the total is likely to rise even further, making it a tough challenge for the Galaxy S25 Ultra to outperform these numbers next year. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus have also made significant strides, with 12.1 million units of the Galaxy S24 and 6.77 million units of the Galaxy S24 Plus sold. Together, these numbers have helped the Galaxy S24 series reach nearly 35 million units, an 18% increase over the 2023 sales of the Galaxy S23 family. With these impressive figures, the Galaxy S24 series has set high expectations for the Galaxy S25, which Samsung aims to manufacture over 37 million units for release by the end of 2025. However, Samsung's foldable devices tell a different story. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, while not performing as strongly as their predecessors, show mixed results. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, with 2.09 million units sold, has made a slight improvement of 180,000 units over the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Although this increase is modest, it's still a positive sign. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has struggled, with sales dropping to 2.81 million units compared to the 3.3 million units sold by the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Despite being a pioneer in the foldable market, Samsung has faced challenges in achieving widespread consumer adoption. The modest sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 suggest that foldables may still be far from reaching mainstream appeal. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 expected to have even lower sales, reports indicate that Samsung plans to produce just 3 million units, signaling a more cautious approach to the foldable market. Still, Samsung's pivotal role in shaping the foldable phone landscape cannot be overlooked, and it will be interesting to see how the company adapts its strategy in future releases. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 series has set a remarkable standard for the upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup, and despite some challenges in the foldable segment, Samsung continues to be a dominant force in the smartphone market. With cutting-edge designs, robust performance, and expanding market share, Samsung is poised for ongoing success, even as competition grows. The question remains, will the Galaxy S25 surpass the Galaxy S24's achievements, or will new competitors rise to challenge Samsung's position at the top? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.